Hi guys, this is Nigel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can air layer a Philodendron verrucosum using plastic condiment cups. For those of you who don't know about air layering, it simply means growing out the aerial roots of your plant. When it comes to propagating, air layering is the #1 step you have to take. This trick is going to help to establish each leaf so that when you finally chop the plant up, each leaf has a higher chance of propagation success. Now let's go through the things you'll need. Of course, the first thing you need is a plant, and this technique works particularly well with climbing philodendrons such as the verrucosum. Next up, you need some SPHAGNUM moss. I like these because they are lightweight and they retain moisture well. Then we need a pole to tie the plant to. I have with me here a thin bamboo stick that is cut to the height of my plant. And of course, the star of our show, the plastic condiment cups. I actually got them from my Chinese food order and I'm reusing them for a greater purpose. Last but not least, we need a pair of scissors to cut the holes in the condiment cups. And that's all you need. Now let's get started. Here I have a cup that is already cut. So we want to cut a hole at the bottom of the cup and also a hole on the lid. You want the hole at the bottom of the cup to be slightly bigger than the thickness of the stem. As for the hole on the lid, you want it to be about double the size of the hole on the cup. And even though they are cut, they should still fit perfectly onto each other. And now I'm going to show you how I cut the holes in the container. Since these are soft plastic, they're pretty easy to cut without cracking. Here I'm using the symbol on the cup as a guide, and I'm going to cut a circle within the symbol. Now make sure that you do not cut the hole too big. It's always better to do it smaller and then if you need to, cut it bigger later. Moving on to the lid, as I mentioned before, the hole on the lid needs to be bigger than the hole that is on the cup. This is because we need space for 2 stems instead of 1. Now that we're done, we're ready to install the air layering cups. But before water the plant. We're gonna give some nutritious water to the moss in the cups. Simply drip water into the big hole on the lid. I love this way of air layering because the moss in the cups stay moist for a long period of time. Compared to a moss pod that dries out pretty fast and needs watering every few days, this is gonna save you a lot of time and effort. And with that, we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. If you have any questions, you can also put it in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as possible. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. In the meanwhile, stay safe. Adios!